It's the din din. I want the din din.
Dude, I need ammo.
How much?
Go upstairs.
How much 5.56 do you have?
I
AK?
got 30 on the chamber and 18
Okay.
clip.
I've got 16 total.
Damn, we're
We
in
got
trouble.
one on the rock directly in front of me.
Where? Oh, okay.
Directly in front of me, could see him third person.
Oh,
Can't
about 30 yards or so?
Yeah, he's like fucking right there. I can't get him from here.
Oh, I see him. Oh. Did we close the door downstairs?
Yeah, I did. I closed both. Here he comes. Here he comes.
Just blew myself up. That was awesome.
Come here. Come here.
That was great. You got any first aid kits?
I think I do. I
Okay,
don't
somebody
know.
just came in the bottom floor.
Doors. Get to the bathroom. Get to the bathroom. Come here.
Okay, I'm watching the stairways.
First aid kit down. Energy drink down. Move. I can't move.
Okay, there's 4 other than us.
Copy. Jump the balcony and get to the circle when we have a little bit of time
Yep.
left.
Let's let these guys battle it out first, though.
We got one inside the house downstairs for sure, though, right?
I believe so, yeah. I mean, that's where I heard the door open. I see somebody. Yeah, that's him.
Oh, the guy that was in the rock. Yeah, you hear him.
U plus 3, you got it.
Let me get out here so I can have more firepower there.
Okay, I have 3 assault rifle rounds.
U plus 2.
Can you drop any assault rifle at all? I just need even like 10 bullets would be helpful. Thank you. We got a guy over here in this tree over here. He's hiding.
Going downstairs. Going
Alright.
downstairs.
Copy.
3, 2, 1.
Dead. Us plus 1. I think he's over. I know where he is. He's at 165, about 100 yards over.
In a circle.
Yep, that's what
You'll have to push us.
I'm circling around because he's gonna have to move too. Oh, there he is. Dead.
Nice.
Chicken dinner.
7 kills.
Fuck yeah, nice guys.
7 kills. What the heck? Take a picture. Take a picture.
Well, I'm glad I was here to carry you guys.
I got 300.
Dude, I didn't get that one kill, dude. And